The pressure washer does not start. What should I do? Possible causes and solution. If battery not charged, then fully charge the battery. If battery not inserted properly, then reinsert until it locks securely. There is low or no water pressure. What should I check? Possible causes: water inlet filter blocked, inlet hose not fully submerged, or loose hose connection. So what is the solution? So first, clean the inlet filter thoroughly. Second, ensure the hose is fully submerged in water and tighten all hose connections securely. The pressure washer stops during operation. Why? So possible cause can be battery discharged. So what is the solution? Recharge the battery fully before continuing operation. Water is leaking from the hose or connector. What should I do? So check all hose connection and connectors. Tighten them properly before restarting the washer. Check for any damage in the hose connection and connectors. Contact Dylect customer support for assistance. Replacement, if required, will be provided based on the product's warranty status and the nature of the damage. The spray is weak or uneven. What should I do? So check if the water inlet filter is blocked. Ensure the water hose is not bent or kinked. Make sure the nozzle is properly installed. The pressure washer is making unusual noise or vibration. So stop using the washer immediately and inspect the hose, nozzle and battery for any damage. If the issue continues, contact Dylect customer support. How long does the battery last on a full charge? So the runtime depends on battery capacity and spray mode. Typically ranges from 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use. How long does it take to fully charge the battery? Most lithium battery packs take 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. Can I use the washer while battery charging? No. For safety reasons, the washer should not be used while charging. Can I buy extra batteries? Yes, using an additional compatible battery pack allows extended runtime. What should I do if the battery is not charging? In that case, check adapter connection, battery placement, charging indicator and power outlet. Is the pressure the same as electric pressure washer? So the battery models provided moderate pressure suitable for car washing, bikes, balconies and gardening, but are not as powerful as high power electric washers. Is it safe to spray near electric equipments? No. Avoid spraying directly on electric sockets, wiring or electronics. Can it be used in rain? So avoid using in heavy rain to protect the battery and electrical components. Pressure fluctuation while using the washer. So possible reasons include low battery charge, air trapped in the hose, blocked filter, loose hose connection.